Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be diving into the cutest ice cream nails. I've been seeing ice cream nails in those soda kind of nail trend all over social media, so I figured why not try it with a brand new collection, which is perfect. This collection is filled with soft colors, and it's really just going to help us achieve that perfect ice cream look. And then we are going to be testing some fun new products along the way to see what really helps us create that perfect ice cream moment. This design ended up being surprisingly very easy to achieve, so let's jump into it and see these new colors in action. All right, BANDI knocked it out of the park again. Their summer 2026 collection is absolutely fantastic, so we're going to dive into those colors here in just a moment and break it all down. And then another item that I've been dying to try, this is the Bevlah Bakery Collection. I have had this the day it came out. I ordered it and I absolutely love it. The packaging is cute, but there's this little moment right here, this mascarpone kind of mousse kind of texture, which I figured would be really fun to kind of pull in like that little kind of whipped cream moment. And then I also grabbed the torta one. This is a texture gel. So we're going to test out both of those to kind of see which one is going to work out best for our little ice cream topping moment. And then look at the packaging. Isn't that amazing? And stay tuned. I am going to dive into the bakery collection here, and we're going to do a whole little bakery moment. And then our ice cream nails would not be complete without some fun toppings, right? So I figured let's pull in some tiny little stars, and then there is like a little flower glitter in there that I want to pull in. And then I was thinking maybe we would dive into some of these as well. And then for the cherry, I was thinking, okay, these little kind of pearl ball moments would be the perfect little cherry moment. And then I also grabbed some of these. These are like the little flat back kind of little gems. And then we have some sprinkles that I might dive into. And then if you're not in, these are a little bit bigger. So then I was like, you know what? I have these sprinkles that are extra tiny that I actually got from a craft store. So I figured these would be perfect to add to any little ice cream nail. So we have our toppings. So now we're going to get into our base color, which is these gorgeous colors from BANDI. I love the bottle. These colors are just really beautiful. I really like that it's not your traditional pastel. These have a lot of color to them. They don't have like that harsh white back, like flashback that you get with some pastels. And pleasantly surprised, these are very buildable. And the first coat is lovely, but wait till you see these colors with a second coat. It is absolutely fantastic. The color is everything. So this one right here, even though it's like a pistachio cream, this is kind of giving me both pistachio cream and like that mint chocolate chip kind of moment. And this is a really beautiful color. I also feel like if you were just doing this color all over your nails, like just doing what we're doing today and not adding any of the extra accents to make the ice creams and doing a chrome over these colors, I feel like that would be absolutely fantastic as well. Kind of doing like a glazed donut kind of moment, but make it kind of like this beautiful summery kind of pastel color, right? Absolutely gorgeous. So that's what it looks like with two coats. I'm going to go ahead and pop that in the lamp, and I just gave everything a full cure for 30 seconds. And then we're just going to work our way through the entire collection today. So soda cream is one of my top colors. Honestly, all these colors are really good. I even like the yellow. So I do really think this is a fantastic collection, and the colors are just so creamy, which really just kind of brings us into that creamy kind of ice cream kind of moment. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into these beautiful colors because I really want you to see them in action and get a good feel on what colors might be your favorite. And then when it gets to adding that really fun whipped topping, I'm going to pop back in just a moment. All right, so this yellow is absolutely beautiful. It's giving me banana split vibes. Stay tuned. I have a really fun reel coming your way featuring some of these colors. All right, so now for our whipped kind of frosting kind of moment, or a whipped cream moment on top of our ice cream, because I really want to incorporate that. That's what I've been seeing on all those really fun soda nails, is just like that beautiful whipped topping that looks absolutely fantastic and delicious on these fun nails. So first of all, I'm going to try this is the torta one. I'm going to try both of them, but the first one we're going to dive into is going to be the Bevlah one. But this one right here, this one has a little bit more of like a texture. This is really going to give you, it's living up to his name. It's a texture gel, so it's going to give you more of like that kind of whipped moment. I feel like this might be the one we need to go to if you're looking at them side by side, because the Bevlah one does not have like that whip moment that I'm going for. All right, so I'm going to go in with just my number 2 brush here, and it just has a shorter tip. I just felt like the shorter tipped worked best for me to kind of create that little whipped kind of moment. So I never tried both of these products that we're diving into right now, and I'm just kind of wiggling it around. This is a very unique texture, and it is kind of like a funfetti kind of frosting, but more of like a, you know when you're making a gingerbread house and you're squirting the gingerbread frosting on the cookie pieces to put them together? That is what this consistency feels like for the Bevlah. So I don't know if this is going to work for us for that whipped look that we're going for. I feel like this would be, I have a different idea on how to incorporate this, but I still wanted to show you what it looked like. So I'm going in a circular kind of motion here, trying to give us like that perfect whip kind of moment here. And you can go as big as you want for your whipped cream dollop, or you could go as small as you want. Again, options are endless. I feel like a little bit bigger might make it look even better. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It can be kind of messy because whipped cream is not perfect at all, right? So you don't have to be too of a perfectionist when it comes to this design. And right now, this is where I'm noticing that I'm not really getting, it's kind of self-leveling in a way that once I make my little swirl, it's kind of just like melting together. So it's kind of giving us like that melted frosting look. And I want more of like that whipped kind of texture. So I'm still giving it some love here. And then I realized, okay, this is not the direction that I'm going in. So I'm just going to go ahead, once I'm done playing with this, I'm just going to take a lint-free wipe and completely wipe it off because I did not cure it. And we're going to start over. I'm just going to go ahead now and we're going to dive into the torta texture, because I have really high hopes for this, because when we opened that, it immediately was already giving us those whipped cream vibes. So I'm just going to take not a small amount. I'd grab a dollop here because I really want it to be that whippy kind of moment, but yet giving messy at the same time. So I'm just going to put this right here on the nail, and already I can tell this is the direction that I wanted to go in. You can already see it's giving us that whipped kind of moment, and I'm totally here for it. All right, so then once you have your design, just go ahead and give that a cure, and then you can move on. If you wanted to go ahead, you could also do a matte top coat over your base color first and then do your nail art on top of it. I did not have any problems with just, going right on top of that ambition layer. Everything was working out really nicely, and I can already see this beautiful, fun whipped cream just coming to life here. I'm just kind of making it a little bit messy and just kind of giving it a little bit more depth here and just a little bit more swirls. And this is actually holding its shape very nicely. And I'm loving where this is going. So I just pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds and look at that. That is as good as it's going to get for our first attempt on making these ice cream nails. Now stay tuned. I figured we're going to kick off August and we're going to do different kind of drinks and ice cream nails all week. So that's what we're going to be doing this entire week. So I have 3 videos coming up for you. This is the first one of the 3, but I figured summer's almost over and we need to make some tasty treat nails here. And these are so fun. Honestly, you could rock this design. It doesn't have to be for summer. This can be just a cutesy kind of nail look that's super easy. All right, so I'm just going to show you one other nail here because I was pleasantly surprised on how easy this gel was to work with. This is going to be so fun if you love a good texture or doing those nuanced nails. This gel right here is going to be a great one to have in your arsenal because this is such a fun formula and you can really see all that fun texture. Even I was playing with it after I filmed this and I was doing very thin layers on like a marble nail with inks and it looked really beautiful. So if you've been on the hunt for that perfect texture gel, this just might be it. I really like it, and it also really cleans up nicely on the nail. Even though it looks a little bit grainy here because we just blobbed it on the nail, it cleans off really nicely on the brush. So if you wanted to take your mint chocolate chip nail to the next level, the Nekogel, this is from the Fruit Collection number 2. If you wanted to go ahead, this is like that clear that has like the black speckles in it. If you wanted to go ahead and enhance that nail, that would be another way to incorporate a perfect mint chocolate chip nail. So I just wanted to give you another option on how to play with this really fun pistachio cream color. All right, so now we're gonna add our topping. So we cured the whipped cream. I'm gonna go in with the RORO clear. If you saw my video previously, I mentioned to you that this clear is absolutely fantastic. I didn't know I needed a clear until I had this, and I love this clear so much. All right, so for the cherry, I decided I wanted to go in with the flat back little gem instead of the pearl. I'm going to save the pearl for something different. I do think the pearl with like is like the perfect kind of cherry, but for this look, I just wanted a little bit of like more of like a daintier kind of moment. And then I'm using just like a wax tip, and I'm just applying stars all over the nail here, and I'm just picking all different colors here, and we're just placing them on the nail. And then once I'm done with the stars, I am going to go in with just some other fun glitter pieces. Now you could totally layer this and do as many glitters as you want to just really bring it out. And then if you wanted to add those sprinkles that I showed you in the beginning, you totally could enhance it. But I was really liking just like the stars and just the fun glitter that we added. I was keeping it very simple. And then to seal everything in today, we're going to go in with the RORO Honey Top Coat. This is more of a thicker viscosity, which works really well when you want to encapsulate any glitters. I could skip my base and I can go in right with this. And these glitters are laying super flat, and they don't feel bumpy or anything like that after I cured. And then here's our finished set. I love this so much. It is super cute. I feel like for my first attempt going in with those adorable viral ice cream nails, I kind of feel like I did a pretty good job considering I have never played with any of these products that we play with today besides that clear and the top coat. But let me know which color was your favorite. Are you into the trendy ice cream nail trends? Let me know, and then stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss what we have coming up this week because it's going to be absolutely delicious. So make sure when you're watching this week, you are grabbing your favorite beverage because it's going to go hand in hand with this week's content. All right, so everything from today's video can be found in that description box below, and I will see you all in the next one.